Sagos na naroon saan man mapalpad.
Sumitingin anong aking gagawin. It's not a lie, it's a coconut. It's the coconut. It's the tree, gets the fruit free. So many uses of the coconut tree.
Turn to a land called Paraiso. Ito na po yung pinaka-discreet na ribbon at outfit na madadala ko for tonight's event. Happy birthday! Wala nang kita'y makilala, walang ibang na
Mga